and setting up that home with another bedroom and a bathroom or a way to best accommodate that person. Also, you know, depending on age is, you know, do I have myself in this house living on one level so that I can avoid steps down over the long haul if I'm going to stay in this house, you know, throughout my life cycle or for the remainder of my life cycle. Those are the things that I see that typically people might miss or not think far enough into the future for. Things that people consistently seem to like, I would say most of our customers are liking one level living for at least the primary occupants. The husband and the wife, they want to be on the main floor with everything that they do in a house. Just seems to be simpler, it seems to be more convenient and just more comfortable for them. Bedrooms up or down for additional people seem to be okay, but the things that they really like is one level living.